Hello, welcome to DocsEazy tutorials. How are you all? Do you know how to use the lookup functions in Excel? There are multiple lookup functions are there in the Excel. First, let's talk about the VLOOKUP function. Excel VLOOKUP stands for Vertical Lookup. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column, the so-called table array, in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. Let's look into an example. Here we have a table of data that contains some colors and its wavelength and frequency. Suppose if we would like to see the frequency of the color cyan from the table, we can use the following formula. Let's start our formula by equals sign, then type VLOOKUP. Open a bracket. Select the cell that contains the color name. Then put a comma and select the table. Again put a comma and type 3. We type 3 because the frequency column is the third column from the color column. Now type false, as we would like the exact matching result and not the approximate matching. Finally, close the bracket and press Enter key. This will give you the frequency of the color cyan. Now you can check for other colors too. Type yellow to see the frequency of the color yellow. Keep in mind that the names should be exactly the same as available in the color names in the table. Likewise, try other colors too. Now let's talk about the Hlookup function in Excel. What is the Hlookup function? Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup and can be used to retrieve information from a table by searching a row for the matching data and outputting from the corresponding column. While VLOOKUP searches for the value in a column, Hlookup searches for the value in a row. The formula for the Hlookup is almost the same as VLOOKUP, except the Hlookup searching values in the same column rather than same row. Let's go for an example. Suppose if we would like to see what is in the fourth cell from the frequency cell that is in the C1 cell, we can use the formula as follows. We start with the equals sign and type Hlookup. Then after opening a bracket, we type C1. Then after a comma, we select the range that start with the C1 cell. After a comma, we type 4 as we want the fourth value. Finally we type false, as we want the exact match. Close the bracket and press Enter key. There we have the fourth value from the C1 cell. Now if you want to find the fifth value, you can simply change the 4 to 5 in the formula.
Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.